Mounting bracket. Install shockwave handle. Place the handle and silicone head onto the stand. Remove the lock ring cover. Add enough gel on the handle note. Do not use without adding gel, and do not add too little gel. Select the appropriate shockwave head based on the operating location. Insert the connecting silicone head, gently press it to make close contact with the handle, and gently rotate the connecting silicone head to prevent the formation of bubbles. If bubbles still exist, more contact gel may be added. Align with the groove and install the locking ring cover, fixing ring. Rotate the lock ring cover clockwise to secure the silicone head. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Select the operating area. Settings. Frequency, 4 to 5 Hz. Intensity, 2-7 bar. Number of impacts, 1500 2000 shots. Click the Start button. The controller will only start working after you press the button on it again. Click the Stop button. Parameters can be adjusted on the handle. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Silicone head removal method. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the locking ring cover. Remove the silicone head. Use a towel to wipe the silicone head and handle clean.